So finally, it's the time that we are with the organizer of this wonderful Women 10K event. So, sir, what do you have to say about this event now?
See, I've been thinking of doing a women run for quite some time, but like I associated with W Hospital and Viva Fit, the all women groups,
Yeah.
and then Gurgaon Moms. And then we got together and formed, thought, okay, let's do it one women event, and that too on Women's International Day. So we are celebrating Women's International Day this year through this event, and each year it's going to be held on the first Sunday of the March.
Wow.
So this event has had around 1,000 plus participants. Women came from all over NCR. Major chunk participated in 10 kilometers. More than 50% participated in 10 kilometers. But I saw the excitement in 3 kilometers and 5 kilometers, those who are the actually beginners and running for the first time. Few corporates also participated. So many people came and groups and corporates came in support of the event. And overall, I feel like it's a unique gathering, because when I do running event where men and women are participating, we see an average of around 1,000 runners participating. But in this event, you can see 1,000 plus women only event, only women are participating. I see it has some specialty, you can say USP of the event, like all the women initiatives, groups came forward and supported the event, that made it too big.
That is really wonderful, sir. So tell us something about fitness. As in, fitness is really very important today. Training kids at the grassroots level is also very important, so that, we don't think of when they're 35 or 40, then they're not able to run, right? So how much is fitness important?
See, fitness plays a lot of. It's an important. It plays an important. It's an important thing in every individual's life. At the same time, we ignore fitness, setting different priorities. Maybe a professional life, maybe studies for the kids, and maybe some personal commitments. But what I feel like, it's very important, and for the all-round development of a person, to get into fitness, not only running, any kind of sport activity, maybe yoga or any sport, it should be taken and pursued. And see, as far as running goes, running is an easy sport. Everyone can run, everyone can start. Only thing is, like, you have to start easy, take it simple, gradual steps, incremental, gradual distance. You can increment, should be incremental, and then you remain injury free, avoid the risk of injuries, and run easy and safe. At the same time, keeping yourself fit, healthy, and like it's a wholesome good life.
So, sir, a few motivational words for the women who actually are not aware of that fitness is so very important for them.
See, my only mantra since I started running, I think 8 years back, is I think I can. I started running after 40. So if I can run after 40 and do marathons, ultra marathons, 42 kilometers, 52 kilometers, so anyone can start and reach somewhere. It's not all about doing marathons. Anyone who is running 3 kilometers and can easily run 3 kilometers and not having any kind of muscle soreness next day is a fit person. So anyone can run, anyone can start, but it has to be systematic and scientific.
Thank you so much, sir. We are really, proud to have you with us at Just Plus Sports, and it was really wonderful covering this event. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot.